Hi all, welcome to the today's tutorial. You must be looking at some stunning stage, the trees and the Australian sand and all. So if I play this, you can see that it is looking more like game now, right? So today we will add this level and we will just see how we will import this and how we will get this all era. Okay, so let me close. This is this was my dummy project. So first of all, what you have to do, just go to the Epic launcher and search for, okay, just go to the marketplace. Maybe my net is slow. Okay, go to the search and type rural or stray. Rural, just type rural or maybe. Okay, so this is a rural Australia, and this is totally free as this comes under the permanent free tag. So it is feasible for all. See, it is saying the permanent collection, so it is free. So first thing, to use this in our project, you just have to download the in.ini file, as I have already downloaded it, default engine.ini. And what you have to do, just open the project first, or just add to project. Just click here, show all projects. At present this project is not available for UE5, but I will just force it to. Then just choose the death race, and for select version just choose anyone with the support. Okay, and click on add to project. So until it is adding, I will just go to the game path. Let me open. So I have my projects here. I will just go under the death race, under the config. Here we have default editor.ini, and I have it here. I will just drag and drop and replace the file in the destination. Okay, so we are just done with this part. To have this file, you just have to download it from here. It is saying the default engine.ini. If you will click here, it will just redirect it to that file. Okay, that is been added. Go to the library and open our project, the death race one. It will just load the default map. So first what we will do, we will choose our default map to the new one which we have added, and then we will see how we will implement it with our project. Okay, just open any folder, show in explorer, death race content. Okay, it's been added. Inside the map we had the default car map. So we have added this module, the rural Australia. Just go inside it, go to map and go under the rural Australia example one. Just click save. Okay, so I'm inside the rural Australia example one. What we will do, we will select this project as our default map. So go to edit, go to project settings. Let me bring it here. Go to the map and modes. So here, if you have seen, I have changed the default engine .ini. That is why it is already saying that we have default map rural Australia example one. Okay, but we have something changed. If you look carefully, now we do have default game mode as game mode base. We don't want that, because previously what we have the M game mode as our game mode, right? So we will just choose the M game mode, and for the player controller we okay, for the default pawn, we have it in like ch underscore c car base. We will choose it here. Okay, sorry for that. So we have everything set correctly here. Now what you have to do, as Niagara is still somewhat in like beta mode, so it sometimes give error. So it is a good idea, because when I was playing this level with the Niagara's actor in place, they were just returning me some error, they were throwing me some error. So I will just delete this effect folder. So I will just delete the whole Niagara system which is present in the level. Just select all and delete. Okay, and now we have empty effects. I will just delete the folders too. Okay, next thing, this character BP car, uh, just drag and drop it here inside our label. Okay, so I have imported my car, which is looking cool. And what I will do, I will just auto possess this car, and I will just select the default pawn. Okay, okay, the default pawn, I will just select the default pawn. And as I want to possess this car, so what I will do, just go to this settings, just click this ch underscore car base, and I will go down the settings and check for the possess. See, it is saying the auto possess is disabled. Click this and check, clear 0. Now what we can do, just go to the new editor window. Wow, it is looking great. The sound is working, the effect is working. If I am pressing brake button, the red light is also working. We don't have the front light. I think it's a good idea to do this in the next tutorial. Let's check if we have our speedometer working. It is working good. The mirror is also working. At the left hand side, okay, this is cool, really cool. At the left hand side, if you look carefully, it is saying the texture swimming pool over the service budget. So we will improve this in afterwards tutorial. So it was a small tutorial, and we have everything in place now. So we will just follow, we will just use this map, which is totally free, and you guys can use it. So this was it for today. If you like the video, so please like and subscribe. If you do have any questions related to this project, you can ping me over my Telegram. I have put it the link of my Telegram in the description. So we will have a team which will coordinate with you guys. Okay, take care.